I was feeling industrious. Hi, it's been a little while. Bees are sleeping. Well, not exactly sleeping. It gets warm enough during the day they come out. It's been getting chilly at night though. One of the things I wanted to do is this. I wanted to make a candy board. So this is my version of a candy board. You can see all the layers I put in. It's all glued and stapled together. And you can see I put this piece in here to hold the edge down of my screen. The screen's real tough. And you don't have to put any sort of bracing over it. I could carry a bar of lead on top of this. So, candy board. It's for 8-frame. This is 8-frame super. So there you go. I think that'll work out for them pretty good. And I've got some paper to lay in here. Mush my fondant down. Leave a little hole in the middle. And voila. Feasting time during the winter for them. There you go. And the telescoping lid should fit over this pretty well. This is, it's pretty tight. I got it pretty tight on that edge right there. So hopefully we're not going to have any wind going through. So, hey, I'm going to melt some wax tonight when I get the fireplace going. I'm going to coat this in wax. And I'll see if it's kind of windy today. Of course, the minute I'm shutting down here and putting everything away, the wind dies down. But I'm going to see if the wind cooperates and it's warmer tomorrow. And I can go and crack the lid real quick, and I'll have candy all in this ready to go. And go put it in out there on those ungrateful bees in that 8-frame. And hopefully they won't eat my arm this time. I'll remember my smoker. All right, that's about it. Catch you later.